Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at your boy. I'm back with a classic. I'm back with my new iPhone. I just got it for my birthday. My birthday was last week, but that's not why you guys are here today. Oh, and I got a wonderful, delicious sweater. All I need is just the haircut to match, and we rocking with it. 1 year later, I'm 37 years old. Just turned 37 a couple weeks ago, November 18th, Scorpio season. But you guys are here because my last video I made, you guys saw how much I made in terms of the dividends for the month of November. We're currently in November. But by the time you see this video, you'll know that we are in December now, and we are embarking and going to the new year of 2026. What is the goal? The goal is that I hit I had hit a net worth of 100K in my dividend growth portfolio. That I wanted to do that before I had hit 36 years old. My complete net worth with my all my portfolios is you count this out, which is roughly 145,000. Shout out to my employer. I'm contributing 4% to my 401k. I received a 4% match, and they just started this program where we do receive money for profit share. So I received some money for the profit sharing as well. That was roughly it was $250 extra for the profit sharing, and they also are doing something where they are putting money on a per year basis according to your salary percentage, a percentage of your salary in this cash balance account, and then use this cash balance account to let it accrues at 5%. So right now is at $1,800. Not bad, right? And whenever you leave, once you're invested for 2 years, you can not only take your money for your 401k, but you can take this money that's in this cash balance account, and you can just roll it over into a IRA. Not bad, right? That's not bad. Not bad. You let it invest. You invest, contribute for 5 to 10 years. Who knows when you may happen, right? So my next goal is to hit 250,000 by 40 years old. I just turned 37, so that gives me 3 years for my portfolios and my investment accounts to compound and to grow and uh to hit the 250K. So this is how I plan on going about and hitting that. So starting 2026, I'm gonna have $500 gonna be the deposit out of my account directly into my growth accounts, and then shortly we'll go to see what's in each account real quick. $500 gonna be taken and it's gonna be deposited to my Roth IRA, and those are straight growth accounts. And then for the month, also this is my this is my rollover IRA, nothing but growth stocks. I have Nvidia, SoFi. Uh, I invest in some AI, nuclear stock plays, and so I just want to just let that grow, let that simmer, let that accumulate for some years, and just let that money just compound. Just let that 25,000, whatever it is, just compound, and let that compound for the next 10, 15, 20, 25 years. Butter, baby. That's butter. Right here, you see that it's reading my Vanguard at 4,500. That sounds about right. That sounds about right. That sounds right. That this is I've been making a lot of strides. So by the end of the year, with next week's deposit, and then 2 weeks from now, before we hit the new year, I should have two deposits into my 401k to push this over 5,000. And then for the end of the year, just starting out, I will start with a base of 401k at 5,000. Not shabby. Not shabby. So that'd be an additional $600 add to push it over 5,000. Not bad. I won't be contributing anything more into my investment accounts. Just my 401k this year, and then starting the new year, because I plan on going to Colombia in the next couple of weeks, and I want to just spend time and enjoy myself and pay down debt and just retool. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you know about my dividend growth portfolio. Also, I've been thinking about adding land research to my dividend growth portfolio, or just double down into SPY I and to just let whatever stocks that I have in here to grow, and then just SPY I to grow that so I can have income to pay more on my student loans and pay more on my mortgage. So I'm trying to think to see, because SPY eyes is 10, 11%, and then it grows maybe what probably 4 or 5% per year. Not bad, correct. Uh, but the bread and butter is my Roth IRA here. Definitely starting January, $150 is going to be deposited directly into QQQM. 175 into SPMO, 175 into AOG. So we shall see how this is going to be and how this is going to look. Stretch this money out 15, 20, 25 years. Money in here growing tax free. Even if this to grow to 500,000, or if this grows to 750,000, I'll be happy with 500,000 in this Roth IRA tax free, because I would structure it so that the money in that Roth IRA I'll put into high yield uh, type of instruments to pay me on a monthly basis, and that money will be tax free, and I would just be traveling the world. Holla at your boy. My last account is my rollover IRA, and with my rollover IRA, it's the top heavy. So I would say out of the 26,000, 10,000 is uh, is split between either VGT and NVIDIA, and the rest of it is SoFi, Astra Labs, AMD, Palantir, Amphenol. And here are my nuclear plays for fueling data centers. I have Constellation Energy, CEG. I have Centrus Energy Corp, uh, 5 shares of that, and then I have UUUU. Basically, the play on nuclear energy, producing nuclear energy, harvesting nuclear energy with uranium. Oh yeah, most definitely. So with this currently right now, this is my net worth. My net worth. So for the past 7 days, I am up $1,199 for the last 30 days, because we was in a down market for a long time. Yeah, I say a long time, for a couple weeks. I had lost over 4,000, almost close to 5,000. But up for the year, and we can go through it real quick. A year ago, my net worth was at roughly 111,000. My net worth grew 45,000. Let's just say 46,000 in 1 year. That's scary. That is scary. That is scary. That just shows, man, that uh, I am making strides in my investment. I'm making strides in uh, setting aside my goals to set aside at least 20%, 25% into my investments. And at this point, I'm contributing a lot. 4%, with the 4% match, that's 8%. Then you have 5,000 into your Roth IRA, and then you contributing roughly 11,000 to $12,000 into my taxable account. I'm just I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to really trying to uh, beefing up these investments that I'm trying to retire early. So here is episode number 2, 3, whatever, 4, 5, whatever episode this is of just road to 250K. I really feel that I can hit that goal of 250K by uh, 40 years old, so that by 45 I want to at least have my money to if not double, triple. So that would be what, 250 times 2, that's 500. It double again, that's a million. But even if by 45, if my net worth is like 750, 800,000, I'll take that. I will take that. I know what to do and how to make that money and make it stretch, and so I can live off of, whether it's Colombia, Philippines, Thailand, et cetera, et cetera. The goal is cash flow, building your money machine, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about my move of. Do you think I should add? Uh, do you think I should add Lamb Research to my portfolio? Lamb Research is a dividend growth company. It grows the dividend. It's like 1% or below 1%. But last year alone, it grew over 30%. I think it grew over 50%. And it's an AI uh, picks and shovel type of play, right? Uh, I really can see Land Research could be one of those staples to my portfolios, that the bedrocks of my portfolio that I can contribute, or I can go the route of letting current stocks that I currently have in my portfolio just continue to add to that and start a new position in SPY and to build it up. So I'm at a crossroad. So if you guys have any type of opinion or whatnot, good or bad, put it down below, and make sure you be nice, be constructive. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Rock with your boy. Roll to 250,000. We are at 157,000. 157,000 for net worth, and we are definitely not done yet. We still got one more month left, and we still got the Christmas Valley. Like, subscribe. Holla at your boy. Yeah, I'm out of here. Peace.